All right, greetings and welcome to the Planetary Persuader. I'm Cosmic Kev, your host. Planetary Persuader is your weekly astro video zine, and this week is for September 23rd, 24th through the 30th of September. So what do we got going on this week? Well, folks, this is a cosmic week of intrigue indeed. Now, I don't know much about this comet, but evidently there's a comet that the last time it got at this angle, there was a Fukushima earthquake, and before that there was a New Zealand earthquake, and I guess this comet's about to angle us out on the 26th, which is a Monday, right before the new moon in Libra. Now, I think this is really interesting because there's a stellium of planets in Libra as of that night, and the new moon happens 4 in the morning. So, I mean, it's like it's a cardinal sign new moon. So I think there's something to look at here. We're in a place where something is about to happen big between Uranus opposing all of this Libra, shocks, surprises, boom, 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 and Pluto squaring all this Libra, transformation, death, birth, rising out of the ashes, and of course Saturn is with the stellium, of course towards the end now, but it's saying something. You know, it has something to say. It's that we have to pay attention to what our limits are, we have to become more mature, and we have to be more inclusive of others. Libra is a sign that tells us that others are just as important as ourselves. We begin that new journey. In fact, I want to say happy fall equinox to all of you out there watching. Fall equinox happened early this morning, Pacific Daylight Time, 2:05 a.m. So, for you Friday viewers, that is. And Libra time, now that we are in Libra, let's say the focus is on we balance, harmony, harmonization. We spent the first 6 signs of the zodiac thinking of ourselves. These next 6 signs in the zodiac, we're going to think about others. Now, I know it's not that simple. It doesn't mean just because you're a Taurus, you're going to be naturally selfish, or that you're a Pisces, you're all giving and letting everything go. It doesn't really work completely like that. Because for one thing, we are all the signs. Each one of us have all the signs in us, and we go through periods in our life when one sign or one planet is more active than the others. This new moon in Libra says, you know, we got to look at our relationships. We got to look at what keeps things in balance, what keeps things harmonized, what keeps things beautiful. We need to pay attention to body parts like the kidneys and the bladder. You know, don't drink too much beer, don't drink too much coffee, don't eat too many sweets, things that stress out the kidneys. Be careful of that at this time. And the other thing is that material things are meaningless compared to what is in our soul and that type of wealth. So I think as we move into Saturn and Libra, let's have a maturity about mature relationships, soul consciousness, karma, who can give more than the other, rather than who can take the most or get the most. So I welcome you as we go sign by sign in your forecast this week.